For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
52,123 COVID-19 cases and 775 deaths have been reported in the last 24 hours in India. Total COVID-19 cases in India stand at 15,83,792. Currently, there are 5,28,242 active cases and 10,20,582 people have been cured and discharged. Meanwhile, the death toll in India has climbed to 34,968. Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Delhi, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh contribute to over 70% of the cases in the country. Maharashtra reports the highest number of cases in India. As on 30th July, the active cases stand at 1,46,433, recovered cases stand at 2,39,755, deaths have risen to 14,463 and total cases stand at 4,651. Tamil Nadu reports the second highest number of cases in the country. As on 30th July, the active cases in Tamil Nadu stand at 57,490, recovered cases stand at 1,72,883, deaths have risen to 3,741 and total cases stand at 2,34,140. Karnataka has the second highest number of active cases in the country. As of 30th July, the active cases in Karnataka stand at 67,448, 42,901 people have been discharged, while 2,147 people have succumbed to the deadly virus. Karnataka's COVID-19 tally currently stands at 1,12,504. Delhi has the third highest number of COVID-19 cases in the country. As on 30th July, the active cases in Delhi stand at 10,770, recovered cases stand at 1,18,633, deaths have risen to 3,907 and total cases stand at 1,33,310. The total number of COVID-19 samples tested up to 29th of July is 1,81,90,382. 4,46,642 samples were tested on Wednesday. Worldwide, the COVID-19 pandemic continues to wreak havoc. US and Brazil have more COVID-19 cases than India.